our gist location this morning, only to find out that a mother who has 3 kids has occupied our space. So we wanted to give her money and move to another space, at least for her to make ends meet, since she's a beggar with 3 children. Only for the children who begs on the bridge to meet us, to tell us that she is not the owner of the 3 children. Join me and listen to what they have to say.
I was passing through the pedestrian bridge this morning, about 3 hours ago, and I saw a woman seated here with these 3 babies, and straight I went to Ikeja local government to lodge the complaint. And we came over here. We were trying to question the woman, and she ran away. She was saying their mother is somewhere down there, and she went down the staircase, and we can no longer find her now. The babies are here, 3 babies. She has been using them to beg for alms, according to eyewitnesses on this pedestrian bridge.
That woman, where they for them? Who now she gets the picking?
No, she dey rent am.
How you don't know say she dey rent am?
All this year we dey see am, dey rent am.
You dey say when she dey go rent am? How much you dey pay to collect am?
If you dey see money na then they go share it together, but if this woman go collect money pass them.
From what we are gathering from people now, these children are not triplets. The woman that has been sitting here is not their mother. Neither is she any relation
to them.
It is likely that the children were taken from whether a daycare or from any other, different mothers. Because if you can see the children properly, they don't look alike in any way at all. This is serious. It is a criminal offense. So criminal. The lives of these babies are in danger. Something should be done.
Different baby, no. No, she's the one that was here.
Okay, wait, don't worry,
Can you catch up? How you tell no same thing? How you tell no same she get the children?
Because I know her for her again.
Taking her first day?
Yes.
And she never born anything?
She never born.
But she can't they use the children when she they rent, they beg?
Yes.
How often do you find situations like this on the street of Lagos?
So rampant, especially recently. I don't know the kind of poverty or laziness that will make anybody to be using children, babies, to beg for alms like this.
Move back.
They are not guaranteed. They are using them to beg.
And they appeared like
they are different.
They are different. Oh yeah, move. They should move.
It is obvious that she is not alone, and it is obvious that even other beggars on this bridge are not happy with her. Well, this is the hustle in Lagos. Everybody has to make money. My name is Adiola Adesrano. Keep watching Batterbox.com. So now like this, how much are they making a day? How much are they making?
Like 500, 600.
The money where they make, what is that they do?
They use them buy clothes. They hide them because they won't go to school.